What's up guys, this is TDST, and you are watching the Trendtainment series, and stay till the end, because there are lots of interesting stuff coming up. This looks more familiar. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube as fast as possible with tricks. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the intro. So, talking about the steps, the traditional way of solving the cube is from Y. So we are going to start with Y. There are only 6 steps, as shown in your screen. First, make a plus with Y. Second, cover full white surface. Third, complete the second layer. Fourth, complete full yellow face. Fifth, correct the corners. Sixth and the final step, to complete the pending middle, and then you get your solved cube. Before we start, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon, so that you can get notified about the upcoming videos, and stay till the end, it's gonna be awesome. So let's start. Here's our well-shuffled cube. Always with the cube, remember that the middle colors are very important, where their position does not change. So let's start traditionally with white, and start from the first step by making plus sign with it. For making plus, we have to join the middle pieces between the centers according their colors. Here we have a white and orange piece, now we have to move this piece over there. For that, we turn this side, right, and turn the front face. Now we have to arrange it with the orange center. Wow, we have made the first piece in its place. Now we have to focus on the white and green piece. Well, this looks simple, right? Now we have to focus on the white and green piece. Well, this looks simple, right? We have successfully completed the 2 centers. Now let's make the red. Here, the white and the red piece is inverted. Look carefully, I'm gonna show you how this is done. Turn the front face right. Now, this piece has to be taken over there. For that, turn the upper face to the left. Now, just like the green, turn this side upwards. And, set the colors according to their centers. Wow, now we have the plus almost ready. Let's find the pending white and blue piece. Got it. Let's adjust it to the center. Now let's take it up by turning the front face leftwards. And adjust the centers. And now we have it, we have completed the first step successfully. Wow, that's awesome, right? Now, let's move on to the next step. That is, connecting the corners with white and the other 2 colors. We have to do this for all the corners of white. All the corner consists of 3 colors. That is, blue, orange, white. Red, white, blue. Green, red, white. Now, let's start with white, orange, and green piece. Here's the piece. Make sure that the piece is right below the slot. We see that the white side is on the right. Now we have to take it up. For that, turn this side down, and then, the bottom to the right, and return this side up. And we have it in the correct place, between the 3 centers. That was pretty easy, right? Now let's find the second piece. That is, white, green, and red. Oh, here it is. Let's bring it down. For that, turn the front face left, then turn the bottom side right, and then bring the front side back up. We got the wrong piece in its place accidentally. Let's bring the correct piece below the slot. Now we have this piece in the right, just like the first piece we did. Just like the first step, turn this side down, and the bottom to the right, and then take it up. And we have the second piece completed. Wow. Now let's find the white, red, and blue piece. Got it. Now take it below the slot. So this piece is over the front. For that, turn the bottom side left. And bring this side down, and bring the bottom side back, and take this up. And you have it. Now let's find the final piece. There it is, take it below the slot. Now let's bring it up. For that, turn the right face down, and the bottom to left, 2 times, and take this side up, and make it below the slot. And again it's on the right side, so you know what to do, right? And you have completed the second step successfully. Wow! Congratulations! Now let's move on to the third step, that is, completing the second layer. For that, let's turn the cube upside down, and we are not going to change it till the end. Here, we have to join the 2 centers according to their colors. Yeah, all the middle one. Okay, let's find the orange and green piece. Oh, here it is. We have to take this piece and move it over here. For that, always join the color of the piece with its corresponding center, like this. If you want to move this piece to the right, turn the upper face opposite, that is left. And if you want to move this piece to the left, turn the upper face opposite, that is right. So in this case, we have to move this piece to the right. So we turn the upper face to the left, then move the right side up. Then turn the upper face right, and right side back down. Then again turn the upper face right, then turn the front face leftwards. Then turn the upper face leftwards. And then, bring the front side back down. See, we have completed the first piece in its place. That's awesome, right? Now, here's a piece, move it to the center. So in this case, we have to move this piece to the right. So we have to turn the upper face to the left. Then turn the left side upwards. Then turn the upper face left. Then turn left side down. Then turn upper side left. Then turn the front face right. And turn the upper face right. Then turn the front side down. That's it, you did it. Now let's move this piece to its center. Just like the last piece, we have to move this piece to left side, so we have to move the upper face to the right. Then turn the left side upwards. Then turn the upper face left. Then turn left side down. Then turn upper side left. Then turn the front face right. And turn the upper face right. Then turn the front side down. And you have made it. Now, let's finish the second layer by completing the last piece. Wow, this looks very similar. Moving the piece to left. Now you can do it by yourself, right? Wow, you did it. Awesome, you have completed the second layer or the third step successfully. Now, let's move on to the fourth step. That is, completing the yellow layer. To complete the yellow, we need to make a 4 sign on it. For that, we will have to go through single step multiple times, till we get that 4 sign. Okay, now let's do that step. Choose your side and do it with me. Turn the front face right. Then turn the upper face right. And turn the right side up. Then turn the upper face left. And turn right side back down. Then turn the front face left. As I said before, we have to repeat this same step. So choose your favorite side, then do it again. Repeat this same step till you get that 4 sign. With that 4 sign, we will do another trick to bring the full yellow layer. Congrats, you did it. Now, let me show you a small trick step, so that we reach the full yellow layer. For that, turn the right side up. Then turn the upper face right. Then bring the right side back down. And turn the upper face right. Then turn the right side up. And turn the upper face right side 2 times. Then bring this side back down. And you have it. Congratulations. You have completed the 4th step successfully. You may have come up with many patterns of yellow during this step. And you may have also come across the plus sign. And you go on doing by the same step, which will take a lot of time. Now, I will teach you a powerful trick. which you can apply on the plus sign whenever you get it. Now turn the cube such that the 2 yellow pieces are on the left, and do the step, which you do when 4 sign comes. Feel free to pause and rewind the video if you want to recall the step. See, you got the 4 sign directly without any other delays. And now you know what to do next. Wow, perfect. Before going to the next step, please make sure that you have liked our video and share the video with your friends who want to learn Rubik's Cube in 10 minutes with tricks. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now let's move on to the 5th step. That is, correcting the corner. Adjust any one of the corner pieces according to its center color, like this. And keep it on the back of the right side, or if you have 2 colors like this, then this is perfect. Adjust it to the center and keep it on the back side, and do the step. Okay, now let's do the step. For that, turn the right side down. Turn the front face right. Then again turn the right side down. And turn the back side leftwards 2 times. Then turn the right side back up. And turn the front face left. Then bring the right side down. And again turn the back side leftwards 2 times. Then move right side up 2 times. And turn the upper side to the right. Wow, you have completed the 5th step successfully. This is beautiful, right? Congratulations, you have reached till the end. Now let's move on to the 6th and the final step. That is, completing the middle pieces. Here, the blue side is completed already, which we will keep it on the back and do the next step. Here, we will do a step, which will make this piece move to other places. The first step you do is, turn the front face upside down, and then you observe that if it should move to the left, then you turn the upper side to the left. If this piece wants to move to the right, then you turn the upper side to the right. So in this case, the piece should be moved to the left. So we turn the upper side to the same side, that is, left, then move the right and the left side down. And turn it upside down. Then take both sides up. And turn the upper side right. And bring the front face down. Wow, you did it. But wait, there's a bit more. What if the piece should be moved to the right? First, turn the front face upside down. If it's right, then turn the upper side to the right. Then, all the steps are similar to the first. Bring them down. Then turn it upside down. And take it back up. Then turn the upper face to the left. And that's it. Awesome, right? That was so cool. So that's it. I think you can now solve a Rubik's Cube anywhere, at any time. I hope that you liked our video, and feel free to like and share this with your friends so that they can also learn this with ease. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to get notified about our upcoming videos. And also check out our channel, there are a lot of awesome videos which you guys will like. Till then, this is DDSD, signing off.